Hello, my story is short and sweet. This story is called The Princess and the Pea, and it is by Hans Christian Andersen. I love a lot of his stories, and this is how it goes. There once was a prince who wanted to marry a princess. Not any ordinary princess, but a real princess. So he traveled the world, all over the world. But he just never met the right one. They seemed like ordinary princesses, and there was just so many of them. So he came home, he was sad and unhappy, and he was mopey because he couldn't find a real princess. But one day, there was a terrible storm blowing. It rained cats and dogs. There was thunder, there was lightning. It was terrible. But there was a knock on the castle door. The old king hobbled over to open the door. And what did he see? Well, standing there, he saw a princess, but she was a mess. There was rain in her hair, through her clothes, all the way dripping down into her shoes. The queen overheard that there was a princess at the door, and she thought, we'll see about that. Ever doubting. So, she didn't tell anyone. She went to the bedroom where the princess was going to go to sleep, and she put a tiny little pea way down at the bottom of over 20 mattresses. And this is where they took the princess. The next morning, they all asked her, "How did you sleep, dear?" "Oh," said the princess, "I scarcely slept a wink at all. There was something hard in my bed, and I'm black and blue all over my back. Oh, I did not sleep at all." Well, with that, everyone was surprised and super duper happy because they realized this is a true princess, because only a true princess could actually fill a teeny tiny pea because she's so delicate. They could easily see that she was a true princess. So, of course, the prince was happy. He married her. And what happened to that pea? Well, that pea was saved in a museum and can still be seen today. And that is the true story of the Princess and the Pea.